Hi, welcome to Pre-AP Physics 6.2 Ohm's Law in parallel circuits. Parallel circuits. Ready? Parallel are different than series. Parallel has two or more paths for the current to flow through. The voltage is the same across each component of the parallel circuit. That means the voltage is not going to drop from one ladder rung to the next. It's going to stay the same. The current is also a little different. The current is the sum of the currents through each path to make the total current. Again, the total current is the sum of the currents through each path. The resistance, the total resistance, is found by the inverse of the equation of the sums of the inverses of all the individual resistances. That's a little complicated. We will do problems. If one path is broken or disconnected, the electricity goes through the other path and it's perfectly fine. Remember remember parallel circuits are like one ladder with two slides, two bulbs, okay? Both individually connected to the battery, not to each other. And again, it didn't matter if they were the same size or not, we still were able to calculate and find the current, the voltage, and the resistance. Looking at a parallel circuit on the right, this is your parallel circuit. Remember that the current 1 goes through resistor 1, current 2 goes through resistor 2, and that made the total current here coming back to the battery, because it's like having the blood split around something, okay, or two paths to go around a lake. If you look at the graph of the current is the same in both branches, but it equals the total current on the outside of the branches. We'll do more calculations. Notice that the voltage completely drops from one side of the parallel circuits to the other, one side of the ladders to the other. Okay, so let's go look at an example of a parallel problem. In this problem, you're given a parallel circuit with a 6-volt battery, a 3-ohm resistor, and a 4-ohm resistor. Okay, the first thing we have to do is find the total resistance. The total resistance is the reciprocal of resistor 1 plus the reciprocal of resistor 2. So we're going to take 1/3 plus 1/4, that's 7/12. Then, to get the total resistance, you take the reciprocal of that, 12/7, which is 1.714. Knowing the total resistance, we can find the current. Current is voltage divided by resistance. Current is 6, resistance is 1.714, makes the current 3.5 amps. We're going to do a lot more problems in class. Thanks for watching.